back to the Bison workshop. I'm Bob, and we're going to go ahead and start putting this drill press together and find a home for it. I would imagine it will probably either go right over there by the toolbox beside the or the belt sander, or right here. The only problem with right here is this shelf here is not level. So it may not go there. Anyway, we'll go ahead and put you guys down here and we'll go ahead and start putting this thing together. Alright guys, we've got kind of a problem here. I replaced the bearings, and I replaced them with the exact same bearing. These here are the ones that came out of it, and we may have to put these back in it because for some reason these bearings are a little stiff, but that's not the biggest problem I have. For some reason, this here, when I first started, had 4 clicks on it. So you put the spring on it and then you put tension on it 4 clicks, because I counted them when I took them off. Well, I've got 5 clicks on it and it still will not bring it back up. So for some reason it's stiff. See, it'll go up that far, but it's still got another 1/2 inch to go. So I don't know if it's at a bind or what, but I'm going to have to take all this back out and see what's going on with it. We may go ahead and press these bearings back on it and just clean these up and re-grease them, but they just I don't know, I guess they're okay, but I knew that I had those that were next to brand new, so for some reason they're not working right. So we're gonna have to take that back out and see what's causing that to bind, because I can't be having that binding up like that. So we'll try that and see what happens. Here's what it sounds like. That's a lot louder than it was when I first started. So we'll take that loose and see if we can't figure out why that's binding up. For some reason that rod that goes up in the center here is binding up. So we'll be back when we're ready to put this back together. Alright guys, we're back together. Drill chuck. Meantime, I'll use it until it's sold. So there you have the drill press cleanup, and I hope you guys enjoyed this, what little bit it was. Most of it's going to be speeded up, or was speeded up. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. If you feel the need to support the shop, it would be greatly appreciated. You can do so by PayPal it at bisonworkshop@gmail.com. Anyway, you guys have a good one. Later.